Hello, good morning. Dumating na ang pyesa ko. Ito. Yung mga gasket para doon sa spark plug. Yan. Ano na piraso. Tapos rocker cover gasket. Bumili na rin ako ng silicone. Tapos magpapalit na rin ako ng thermostat. Ito yung gasket niya. Tapos palit na rin ako. Tapos ko nang palitan ng spark plug. Yan yung luma niya. So yun. Yan natin. Ito siya bago ako magasimbol. Yan. Nilinis ko na kabilaan. It's already clean. So yeah. It's time to assemble. Yan. V6 engine. Tagal dumating. How many days? The parts arrived. But finally I have it. By the way, I already replaced all this belt tensioner bearing. That's new. And the other one over there, it's new as well. And this one, new. And there is an old one here. Yeah. That's the one on the upper side. This is the one on the bottom. And the one on the right side. So 3 of them I did replace. It is all damaged. So yeah, it's time to assemble. I did clean that one already. I want it to dry. Then I will assemble everything. Alright, I'll come back to you.